In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write a super high converting sales letter for your sales page using artificial intelligence. But before we get started, I make short, concise videos on this YouTube channel that show and tell you exactly what you need to know quickly, easily, and without any fluff. So if you could take a moment to hit the subscribe button below this video, it would really help me out. With that said, let's get started. So this is a bit of a different method that I'm going to show you. This is my own product that I'm creating here. It's a weight loss product that I'm going to be releasing soon. So what we're going to do is we're going to use ChatGPT to rewrite this. And this is an easy way to create a sales page by kind of using someone else's, but not using someone else's, if that makes sense. So I'm just going to copy the headline here, and I'm going to go to copy, and I'll go over to my ChatGPT account and I'll create a new chat. So this is a headline for a weight loss product that I like. I would like for you to rewrite it following the FTC and FCC guidelines for my own product. Please make it unique while still targeting the buyer's the buyer's reason for wanting to buy. So you can just kind of talk to ChatGPT and it's going to give you exactly what you want. It's really amazing. So let's put that in there. So you can discover a science-based, so let's see what it says here. Discover a natural science-based method to support healthy weight loss. Unlock simple strategies to enhance your metabolism and feel your best without crash diets or intense workouts. Safely lose weight and regain energy with sustainable, proven techniques. So you can then say, you could say, this isn't good, I want to rewrite it. And the next thing that you would do once you've got one that you like is you would come down to whatever chapter is next. So you would come and grab this chapter and say, this is, let me just grab this. Okay, grab it from here. No, it's not grabbing it. But anyway, you would grab this from here and say, this is the chapter 1 in the course that I like. Please rewrite this chapter for me to be unique for my own weight loss products. You would put that in there. It's going to spit it out. Now from there, you can actually edit it yourself a little bit to fix some things that you might not think are good, but ChatGPT generally is very good at this. So that's a simple way, if you don't have money to invest in a copywriter, which can be over $500 in most cases, that you can just rewrite one that is established and is doing really well and put it into your own words and use that. So that's how you use ChatGPT to make sales copy from one that already exists and change it completely and put it into your own words. So that's it for this video, guys. You would then just go through all of the different chapters, pop them into ChatGPT and get them to rewrite it that way. So thank you again, guys, and I'll see you inside the next